Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about how to create an interactive dashboard using Power BI. Okay, so dashboard or reports is nothing but we will be creating some kind of reports of the data set or sales or some particular of things. We will be choosing the domain and according to that, we want to create a report. How to create interactive reports and the dashboard using Power BI. Let's dive into that. First, open the Power BI desktop. Okay, Power BI desktop get opened. If you want to open a blank report or you want to continue from the previously saved report. Okay, so I'll just open the previously saved book only. I will be opening. So here I have done some lot of work previously. It will be get loaded. Okay, so not this one. Okay, so here you can see we have plotted many graphs, interactive dashboards. This is what we will say interactive dashboard or reports. So if I tap on that, other information also will be get triggered, affected. So if I get to know here, so number of sales quantity I will be getting, and Uttar Pradesh, this is the what is the average sales in the Uttar Pradesh. And here we can see in the month of December, what is the sales will be going to happen in the Uttar Pradesh. Like that, we have plotted the things. Okay, we can try to do that. Just open this one, new report page. Okay, then import the data. How to import the data? Just tap on get data, connect with the SQL workbench or whatever you want, you can connect with it. I have previously loaded the data, EV dataset. So once the dataset is available, just tap on the all dataset. Here you can see if I tap on the dataset, it will ask you to open and load the data. Okay, I have already opened the data, imported the data from the Excel file. Okay, so here you can see if you tap on the load, it will be get loaded. So here you can see delimiter, colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab, like that will be there many things. So I'll just put it comma, separators. Okay, if I tap on the load, the data will be get loaded here. Okay, I have already imported the data. So if I want to make some visualization, create interactive dashboard, just choose what you want. Okay, I'll just choose how the sales was going to happen. Okay, just to choose the stacked column chart. And here I have a electric vehicle data set, like how many electric vehicle will be get sold every month, every year, based on the state, like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, like that distribution will be happening. Okay, how many each state wise sales we will be going to analyze it. Okay, we will make some summary and what kind of vehicle they will be selling more, like that. So I'll just choose the graph first. I have chosen a stacked column chart. Tap on EV sales quantity, then state wise. Okay, just tap on the state. So now you can see here, I'll just enlarge it. So this is a sum of electric vehicle in each state-wise sum of electric vehicle sold. So in that Uttar Pradesh got sold many, I mean top, followed by Maharashtra, then Karnataka. Okay, here you can see the number of sales was happened. Okay, this is how you can get the one report, like what is the sum of the vehicle getting sold. Okay. Okay, this is a one chat. I have done it. If I want to check the percentage of the sales state wise, I'll just go with the pie chart. I'll just put it here. Okay, again, I'll choose the same thing. EV sales quantity as well as state wise. So here you can see in that 20% of the data will be covered by Uttar Pradesh. It means in over 100 EV, around 20 EV will be sold by Uttar Pradesh. That is a top. Then 11% Maharashtra. Then 8% will be Karnataka. Okay. So, okay, fine. I'll just choose some numbers if you want numbers. Okay, I'll just put it the numbers here. Choose the electric vehicle sales. Overall, this is overall we will be getting. Okay, I'll just minimize this thing. Okay, here you can see this is the sum of the electric vehicle will be sold. Okay, or you want a count how many electric vehicle will be get sold. Okay, just tap on this. What is the average EV get sold? So here I can put it average EV. This is the average vehicle will be getting sold in a overall. If I tap on this, in the Uttar Pradesh, 160 vehicle will be the average sold. Okay, and if I want any other chat, like, okay, we can go with the line chat. How the electric vehicle will be getting sold over a month. If I want to check that, I'll just choose the line chat. Then I will be choosing that date. Okay, date if you want, you can go with it. Then month name as well. EV, well, okay, EV sales quantity. I'm just choosing this one as well. So here you can see I got some graph chat, sorry, line chat. In the 2014, the minimum, I mean least, then 15 bit increased to 16. Compared to 15, 16 got increased more from 7,000 to 49,000. It got increased like that. You can see here. Okay. So, or 23, 22, 23, most number of vehicle get sold. Again, 24, it fell down. So this is how we can analyze the trend over the year, how the electric vehicle will be getting sold. Okay, so I have done a, okay, data point to drill mode is on. I have tapped the drill mode on. Okay, go to the next hierarchical. Okay, here you can see in the first quarter, this is the first quarter, how many vehicle get sold in the first quarter, this much. Okay, drill up. Okay, this again I get back to this drill mode is on. Next level, again next level, month wise. Okay, I'll just choose it up, drill up, drill up, drill mode off. Okay, again I'm getting the quarter, monthly wise. Okay, this is month wise, how much will be getting sold. Here you can see year, quarter, month and day information I will be getting. Focus mode on. Sales by month. In the month of January, how many sales will be happening total? Okay, drill, click on turn. Okay, go to the next hierarchical, day wise. So this is the first day, this is the second day, third day, fourth day, fifth, like that. It will be keep on going. Okay, I'll just get back to the report view. Okay, if I keep on expanding, it will be keep on coming. So this is how you can use a drill up and drill down. I'll just make it quarterly, yearly wise. I can just put it yearly wise this. Okay, here you can see this is how yearly wise we will be getting that trend. Suppose you want to get the monthly wise, then I can choose a month. Even though I can put the legend as well. Okay, I'll just choose again the line chat, or if you want area chat also, you can go with the area chat this time. And EV sales over the month. This is how we can put it. And in the state, I can put it the legend part. So here you can see again the state wise I will be getting how many vehicle will be getting sold. I'll just remove the state wise. I can go with the vehicle category. Category two wheelers, three wheelers, four wheelers, like that I will be getting. Okay, if I tap on this, I'll be getting this much. Others and all information we will be getting. Okay, so just place it wherever you want. I'll put it in the middle. I'll just put it here. Okay, now you can see if I tap on any of this, the information will be getting changed according to that. Each and every information will be getting changed. Now I will be getting only list of two wheelers vehicle in case of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, in the Uttar Pradesh, if I want two wheelers vehicle, okay, I'll getting all the overall vehicle I will be getting. Again, I supposed to put the legend here for that. Then I will be getting. Okay, I'll just choose this one. Okay, here I supposed to put the state as well, category. Okay, so both the things is not getting. So for that, we supposed to create a one more board for that dashboard. Okay, so I'll just get it two wheelers vehicle. If I tap on this, according to that, this is the number of two wheeler vehicle. Like overall in the Uttar Pradesh, I will be getting two wheeler will be like 84K. I mean 2% of the data. So here you can see this is the two wheelers. I mean numbers. The sum will be 83%. Okay, highlighted. So 83 and right. Okay, in the 7,32,000, 83,000 are two wheelers vehicle. I can say that. And two wheeler vehicle get sold in the month 1,679 will be get sold. Average EV get sold overall will be 137. So if I do tap on the three wheeler, you can see again this is a 12 only 12 in the month of year 2014, and you can see here around 17% will be get sold. In the 20%, 17% will be three wheelers. Means in the Uttar Pradesh, three wheeler vehicle will be getting sold most number of the vehicle. So you can see here around 6,41,000 will be getting sold in the Uttar Pradesh. So this is how we can get the information about that. Four wheelers, for four wheelers, no four wheelers, much more. I guess Karnataka has 0.61%, and Maharashtra have 0.9%. Okay, here you can see. Okay, I'll just go with the four wheeler again, four wheeler, and I'll just go with it. This is 0.44. Okay, even though lesser. So Maharashtra and the Karnataka getting sold most number of four wheeler vehicles, and the buses, where the buses will be getting sold most. Oh, neither EV, no EVs regarding bus. In case of bus, it was too tiny part, 0.005% in Maharashtra. In Karnataka, 0.02%. Bihar, all over 0%. And in Uttar Pradesh, 0.02%, even though very low. So this is how we can make comparison. So overall, two wheelers and the three wheelers will be getting sold most of the places. So this is how we can conclude it. So if you want to change the background color, I'll just change it to black. Okay, I'll just make some more transparency. Okay, like this. If you want to change this background as well, you can change it to some other what you want. This is how we can create a dashboard, interactive dashboard for this one. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, this better compared to others. So this is how you can create your own dashboard using Power BI. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.